Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to connect to Microsoft SQL Server 2019 using Oracle JDK 8 through JDBC programming. So here you can see that I already installed Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition. So you can see that SQL Server 2019 is running in my machine. Um, So I have opened SQL Server 2019 Configuration Manager. So first I am checking whether in which port SQL Server 2019 Express Edition is running. So it's running on the port 49697. So it's listening on the port 49697. So next, I have already installed Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So this is SQL Server Management Studio 18.4. So 18.4 is a minimum version used to connect SQL Server 2019 Express Edition. So database, you can see that we are going to connect the books database. Under that person table, we are going to connect person table, and we are going to select the records. And I have already installed Oracle JDK 1.8 in my machine. So this is Oracle JDK 1.8, which I have already installed. So we are going to connect SQL Server 2019 Express Edition with Oracle JDK 8. So before we see the programs, let me check whether Java is available in the path. Yes, it's available in the path. And very important thing. So in this directory you can see that Microsoft JDBC driver. I have downloaded the Microsoft JDBC driver, MSSQL-JDBC for JRE8. So JRE8.jar we are going to use, so which is specifically for Oracle JDK 8. And in this directory you can see that some Java programs are there. So we are going to see two basic JDBC programs. So this is our first JDBC program. So in this program we are going to display the database metadata, and I am going to select the person table and display the records of person table, and will print the Java vendor information. So under SQL Server driver folder, you can see that samples directory. So samples directory contains lot of sample Java files used to connect to SQL Server 2019. So you can take any example and run the sample programs. So let us come to the programming. This is the SQL Server 2019 JDBC URL. We are connecting books database. So you can see that the books database is mentioned in the JDBC URLs, and it's running on the port 49697. So SA is the default username, and password also I have provided. So next I am selecting the database metadata. So database metadata will provide the information about the database, like database name, product version, etc. Next I am selecting the person table. So person table contains two columns, name and age. So you can identify in Management Studio, name and age. So I am going to select and print the records from person table using the result set object. Next I am printing the Java vendor details. Finally I am closing the result set object, statement object, and connection object. So all these should be done in try catch block. So make sure that your JDBC URL is correct for SQL Server 2019 Express Edition. So now let us compile and run the program. So this is the syntax used to compile our first JDBC program. So make sure that MS SQL -jre8.jar file is included in the class path to compile the JDBC program. Next, we are going to run the program. Also, make sure that MS SQL jre8.jar is included in the class path. So you can see that database metadata information is got printed, and also you can see that person table is got selected and printed. So finally I am printing the Java vendor details. So using Oracle JDK8, we can able to connect to SQL Server 2019 Express Edition with help of MS SQL JDBC for JRE8. So next we are going to another program. So in this program we are going to insert one record to the table. So we are using same JDBC connection URL here. Make sure that syntax is correct. So next I am opening the try catch block. So in try catch block I am checking the connection. I am calling the get connection method, which will establish the connection to the database. So major difference is I am calling the execute update method. So in execute update method I am passing the insert query. Execute update method is used to insert, update and delete the rows in the table. So after inserting, I am fetching the records using the result set object and displaying. So finally I am closing the result set statement and connection object in the source code. So all this should be done inside the try catch block. So now I am going to compile our second JDBC program. So same syntax. So make sure that MS SQL JDBC jar file is included in the class path. And for running the program also, we need to include the jar file in the class path. Yes, you can see that new record is inserted and printed. So let me verify in SQL Server Management Studio. Let me refresh the query once again. Yes, it's successful. So SQL Server 2019 Express Edition connectivity through JDBC programming using Oracle JDK8 is successful. Make sure that you have installed the Microsoft JDBC driver for Oracle JDK8, and under samples directory you can see lot of sample programs. So you can also use these programs to connect your database and test.